What's up, guys? This is part 2. Um, yeah, we're about to just direct this guy completely. Um, Sorry for not, I skipped a lot of it. I chose a different route than you normally should. I'm gonna show you which route it is. So yeah, guys, you see by that bridge, right there, right? That's where you normally begin. Then I just took a left and came up the hill. And so there's a chest actually. What does it give you? Okay, wait, I might have glitched the game. Or, yo, wait, what the is there another chest right there? Wait, what? Okay, wait. Okay, guys, you get 5 stripped capsules. Striped capsule. Wait, what? Damn, 5 striped capsules. Okay, but it glitched me, so yeah. There's another one actually. If you guys just go down here, there's a cave as well. Okay, boom. What? You got a pristine axe. How does this thing look, my G? How about no scroll? No. Prist. An axe used to chop down trees and wooden doors. Okay, nice. But first we're gonna go. I'm gonna show you guys all the routes. But first we're gonna take this one. So yeah, guys, after you done all that, then I just saw this. Wait, what the? Bro, wait, what? Wait, what did that guy just do? Okay, never mind that. Yeah, then you go through here and okay, you can't. Then we'll just go down. Let's see. Para pa para bom back. Bro, wait, what the? Bro. Okay. Dude, am I getting myself stuck or what, bro? Please, just help. Never mind, bro. Okay. You expect me to bro, okay, first I'm gonna do this fight. Okay, guys, I fought that guy. I'm not gonna go up there because I do not want to, but you can for yourself. Then, guys, yeah, I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna do this. And, bro, where's the original route? What the really? Really? Bro, are you kidding me? Wait, so, okay, let me just. Can you go into. Wait. Okay, you can't go into. Maybe we'll just go here. Or is that for another video? Up. Doop, up, up. What the Bro, wait, what? Can't even get up here, mind you. Okay, that's where I'm